Welcome back! Okay, so I told you that I will show you how did I learn about icon. So let's do this right now. I will open another browser, google.com. Here you go. And then what will be, by example, how did I know this? I will say Flutter icon, and just like this, let's search about it. Icon class. We will go on the first link. Will it work? Not sure, but let's find out. Yeah, if you go down, you will find some documentation, and you can see children const widget icon, and you see the first thing is icons.favorite. Then you can put other things inside, like color argument. You can have the size argument, semantic label. But this is how I knew it. You just need to make a little Google search, and you will find it right away. So you can say also Flutter how to use icon. And this is what I want to show you inside this course. I want to show you how you can solve your problem by yourself, because you don't want to be stuck when you try to build an app. Let's go on this one. I think it's the same. Yeah, it's the same. So let's find another one. Maybe medium.com is pretty good also. If we scroll down, you will maybe find somewhere the code. Please just give us the code. Yeah, icon. What is this? I don't know. This person is maybe somewhere else. Okay, so whatever. I think we have something great. How to use custom, no, not custom icons. Yeah, this one was good. We have it, so I will just copy this one. Boom, copy this, please, and thank you. So you can just go inside your icon where it is, right there. Boom, you paste it. That's it. You just copy and paste code. And now if we hot reload, you will see it's a hearth because I think it's the favorite icon. Yep. And you have the color pink, and you have the size and semantic label. So I will remove, I think I will remove all of these. But you see, this is how you find stuff, how to build stuff with Flutter. You just make some search on Google, and that's it. I will change this one for something else, like .home. I will put it back. And that's how I knew that you need to put icons.com. See you on the next video. Bye.